Hi everyone, my name is Krishna and I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. Today in the start, right, in the initial few hours or in few minutes, I completely messed with my entries. So I was, my mindset was chaotic. So I mean, it was not stable at all in the initial few minutes. And I'll be trying to explain here the psychology and how calmness is really important in the market whenever we are trying to build our position. Even though I did same mistakes what I had done in the last trading session, right? So whatever the entries I did tried in the uh, uh, last uh, trading session, same mistakes I had done today as well, but I did try to keep myself calm at certain point, and then decided I brought my losing positions into the profitable one. So let us understand all the positions that I had done today, and why those entries I have created, what are the psychologies behind that, and how we can avoid these mistakes. Even though I am also trying to learn these things, but I hope you guys are also will also try to get help from this video. So let us understand previous day's candlesticks, right? So here we see a big red candle, and following that, it was a downtrend, and then in at the end, some buyers tried to enter into the market. So these are all buyers position. Even though sellers tried, keep on trying them to go. Put them in the downside, but they couldn't do that. So again, today market open gap down, right? So whenever the market opens gap down after a huge sell-off, it depends, right? So how the sellers are trying to build their positions. For me today, it was right for the first few hours, it will be buying side, and then there should be some selling scenarios we should see. So that's what the mindset I was having during this throughout the trades. But still, I was uh, chaotic in the start. A lot of chaosness that got created in my mind, and I couldn't make any positions properly at right positions and the time. So as I said, like calmness is really important. So initial, if we look here, right? So the orders initially, I had taken a lot of entries. Okay, the first thing was, as I said, for me it was a buying side for the first few hours, and then sell off we may notice. The first position I made is at around we notice here, right? In the first minute itself, after the first minute, I did taken an entry at around 396, and I immediately exited from that position because I didn't expect that it immediately go up. I was expecting some selling, and then market may hold here itself, and then buying we may see why. Because see, the sellers will definitely try to push the market whenever it try to break this resistance. So the moment I saw here, right, this candle, there was some sell off I noticed, and I thought like, okay, let's see here how the market will behave, and then I'll make another sell off position, selling side position, and I'll exit here right around here. So that was the thought process. Then immediately I made after 5 minutes, first 5 minutes of time frame, I made another position in the sell side. But again, like as I already said you, right, so my psychology was not at right place during this throughout the period. So I thought, okay, again I immediately closed the position because I thought, okay, let's wait, see here down the side how the market will behave. And I was not completely in hold on my feelings and all. So that is really important. Like we need to hold our whatever we notice here, right here, what I had done here is completely, not make going, it is not going to make any sense at all if we try to play around with the market like this. Making any position immediately thinking, okay, I don't want to uh, do it in this way, and I will see market if comes at this position, then I'll make and all. So those things only happens with me throughout this time period we notice here. And till this time, till last two positions, right? Last two positions, I was in negative 4k, I guess around 4k. I was in a loss. So I was just trying to build. I built some positions here and immediately closed, thinking that okay, I'll make another proper position and keep proper SLs and all. So those things happens, and in that event, I lost around 4k in this few trades. Around at till 10, I had those problems. Then at around the 10, I decided okay, I shouldn't be doing this all these things at all in the market. I mean, I had faced a lot of issues doing these stuffs in the previous time, so I decided to be calm and waited for a proper entry. And when the market was around here, I saw that a proper breakout was there. So we can see here, right? So if I draw, this is the area. Once it breaks, there will be a huge SLs that are available from the seller side, which will get trigger and market will move very fast. So that was pretty much clear for me. So I waited for this area. When market shows me some signals that it will be going now to hit those SLs, the sellers SLs, I decided that okay, I'll be making position from the for the buying side, and I'll be entering into the market. So that's thought process. So I immediately made another position at around 389 at time period 1021. So yeah, around this place only, as I am mentioning, right? So I saw noticed that okay, it will be now wait for some time and it will be break, and my SL was below this. If it breaks, then again it will do same things, and I'm not going to take any further trades. That was the intuition behind this trade. So I took the trade, but I somehow can I mean, the moment it bounced, this SLs got broken, right? So all the SLs got triggered. I decided to wait till this target, okay, but I immediately got a call, and somehow whatever the profit I noticed, I quickly closed that. And after that, when I saw it, so it came around 1.6 minute, and in every single video I usually explain to people that whenever market goes in particular direction, we should drive fib in a consolidated area. So this is the consolidation area for me, and from the top to bottom, if we draw the fib, market exactly reverse from 1.618 area. So this is really necessary things that everyone should know. So exactly from 1.618 area, market started reversing, and okay, so I couldn't gain all the profit that is what I was looking for, but I somehow from the losing position, I could take myself out into the profitable one. Now once it comes to 1.618 red, so I continuously saw this red candle, and for me, see, if it comes to 1.618 and breaks whatever the breakout that we notice here, right? So if it breaks half of that also, then the market will reverse from that 1.6 unit, that is for sure. So you guys also can look out into the market previous charts and all, and you will notice all these behaviors. So once it breaks this, I got confirmation that okay, the market will reverse now. So I immediately made another position in the downside at around 256. So PE, I bought it at 256 and at around 341. So okay, I mean, it has moved a lot above again, but I could book around 341. So around here, somewhere around here, I think let's look at the time from 1039, right? So 1039. So what was that? Okay, in this candle, I guess 10, 35, 36, 37. Yeah, in this candle only. Yeah, this candle we notice here, right? So here in this candle, somewhere I booked my position because I noticed once this breakout happens, the market will reverse and then it will show continuous sell off. So again, I'm not looking that market will go up around here from this position. I am seeing that a huge sell off will be there and market will keep on going downside. But at least whatever the points I was looking for from the market, that I was able to gain from it. So I didn't so further I didn't try to show some greediness, and I closed my position in this candle. And now I'm more of looking that market will go downside only, but that is completely depends on how this area will break, or how the market will sustain and then it will break. So my view is downside, but yeah, I mean, don't try to take positions after seeing video if someone is trying. So just try to look in the market, analyze the charts and all, and then only if at all you see some the patterns that you usually try to notice in the market, those you on those basis you try to make the positions. Okay. So yeah, this is all about these trades, and I was able to make around 16K for this day, and I'll try to refresh the positions as well. So yeah, this is the profit I was able to book uh, from this trading session for this day. So that's all from my side, and I hope you guys are also gaining some learning. And yeah, subscribe if you are getting some learning content from these videos, and do let me know what are the next things that you really wanted to understand for this market and all the psychology, anything. Okay, so do comment in the comment do put some comments and all, so I'll be trying to make videos on those things. So yeah, thank you.